Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a silver stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information for the 16th day of September, 2021, I'd like to ask you to join me here to JM Bullion so we can look at the live spot prices. Gold is down 16.86 to 17.81.77. Silver down 27 cents to 23.57. Platinum down 69 cents to 952.34, and palladium is up $33.21 to 2072.96. Now, if you're interested in the precious metal prices or any commodity future prices, I'm over here at investing.com, and it says here you can look up gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, crude oil, Brent, natural gas, heating oil, and it has the month right here. You can actually sort the list, and it gives the high and the low for gold for December, and it's basically trading about where we are now. So no real high or low expectations for any of these right now, and the market looks like it anticipates these precious metals to stay flat for the next foreseeable 3 months. So that's quite interesting. Now over here to NGC. It says here Numismatic Guarantee Corporation is now going to be known as Numismatic Guarantee Company. Now, here's the labels. You're normally going to see this here, Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, and now it's going to be Numismatic Guarantee Company. Now, our next stop today is going to be the United States Mint, and what a lovely place to be here. Look at that. Now, want to tell you about September 17th. That's tomorrow, and we're going to be doing the live drop from CGS Coin Tribe. We have 489 subscribers right now, and if we do hit 500 subscribers before Sunday nights or during Sunday night's live stream at 8:30 a.m. or no p.m. Eastern Time, 5:30 p.m. Pacific, we will do a giveaway for the 500 subs. So please join us for that this coming Sunday evening. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of action, a lot of good times with some really great people. Now, want to go back to the United States Mint schedule. That 2-coin set designer edition and that limited edition American Eagle collection. I'll tell you, those two are seriously on my mind because I looked at the prices on eBay for both and they seem so counterintuitive. You wouldn't believe the price of the October 1 release for this particular American Eagle collection. It's remarkable, especially since you consider the fact that all of these coins can be obtained from the silver proof set and the drop for these, what was it? Oh my goodness, I'm losing my train of thought. It says here from San Francisco proof and the West Point proof. That was what, February 11. This one was in July, I believe, and now has a product limit of 50,000, a household order limit of 1. You wouldn't believe the price of these, folks. I'm telling you. Now look at this one. This is the 2-coin set designer edition. It is still getting beat up out there. Look at this. This sold just yesterday for, well, actually today is the 16th for $2.99. All right. I'm not sure why anybody would list this at $2.99 because all they had to do was look at the sales for the 15th and they would see that 364, 369, 350, less than 390, less than 375, 365, and so on and so forth. I think you're starting to see what's going on here. Now, did a dealer list this to suppress the price of the market? I'm not sure, and that's not what I'm saying, but wow, what if, right? Jeez. Now, this is what I really wanted to get down to brass tacks on. This particular set is going to be amazing just for the simple fact that it's so, the moniker is different. Now, usually it says United States Mint Limited Edition 2020 or 2019 Silver Proof Set. Now, they've added American Eagle Collection to this. Now, I think that's a really important moniker. And because you can get all of these coins separately, if you want this graded, you're going to have to keep it probably in the box unopened. So if you did order anything with this, it's going to have to stay in the box with it. So that's something that most people don't think about. And honestly, this may not need to be graded because look at this. Look at the prices on this. And these are raw. These are not even the graded versions yet. And there's more than 3 results here, but look at this. This one's selling for $650, $625, $750, $449. That's that. We just talked. Wow, interesting. $10.95. That's interesting. Look at this, $11.95, and these aren't even graded yet. Now, will they get that price? I'm not sure. Look at this. Sold items. Not so much. Not really anything. Look at this. That's from 2012, $134. So these sets don't usually command a huge price. They really don't. Look at that. And you'll usually find them like this, where somebody's taken the American Eagle out of there and created it and so on and so forth. So that's that. There's not really any sales of that particular coin, but there's a few listings and they are amazingly high. Because if you look at this, you do the math, you're looking at what, 235 into 650, what, two and a half to three times, somewhere in that window. That's definitely got to be three times there. Wow, that's just so aggressive. That's amazing. Anyway, I think that's all I got. I just want to share my plus one with you. And the plus one today is a French term, and it is pronounced force majeure. And force majeure is a common clause in contracts which essentially frees both parties from liability or obligation when an extraordinary event or circumstances beyond the control of the parties happens. Now, are we in the situation like that? Well, I think so. Personally, I think we're in an area and a time that we have never seen anything like this before. Very interesting times indeed. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. What was that from? I'm just trying to curious. Are we similar into that scenario right now? What do you think? Anyway, folks, listen. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thanks for dropping by today. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you do like what you're hearing, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker, out.